When we ask our clients to make an investment in us and therefore in their business, what we're effectively doing is we're asking them to cross the bridge. So to take those steps and cross the bridge. So as you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing now. Now that was a relatively easy bridge to cross. But imagine a more dangerous bridge, a rickety bridge. That's the way our clients will often see our service. They'll see it as risky to cross that bridge. So let's say in the marketing, I'll use a marketing analogy, like there's a client and they're turning over $1 million a year and they'd like to be turning over, let's say $3 to $5 million a year. But that bridge crossing it is going to require an investment in their business. They might have to pay several $1,000s for an agency, and they might also need to pay. I'm just at the Dandenong Ranges at the moment, and it's absolutely, as you can see, beautiful. But they might also, they're also required to invest in, maybe their team to get the right sales staff. They're required to invest in advertising, and it's a real risk, right? Because what they don't want to do is they don't want to fall. They don't want to fall from the waterfall. So they want to succeed. So our job as a business, and it doesn't matter if you're in marketing or anything, because if someone's investing in your services, they've got a bridge to cross. They want to go from point A to point B, and there's a certain risk. So what our job is, as marketers, is to make our service as strong as possible, make that bridge as solid as possible, and because we want it to be safe for our clients to cross that bridge. But in addition to that, as point B, what we also want to do is we want to make our marketing, or within our marketing, we want to make sure we're demonstrating to our clients that it is safe to cross that bridge. And that could mean creating testimonials and case studies. It could mean getting data to back up your results so that you can demonstrate and show that to your clients. It could mean having a really solid onboarding process. So when a client comes on board, they feel really safe and they feel looked after, and are therefore more likely to stick with you over the long term. Because remember, making the sale is only the first step. Keeping the sale is where the real mastery is. So just something to think about is how can you make your bridge rock solid and convince your clients that your bridge is rock solid so they feel safe walking across it.